Look at these beautiful butterflies. Well, you know what? You can make a card like this using our newest club set. Are you ready? Let me share it with you. It is our Stamp and Die Hard club set for this month. It is called Beautiful Butterflies. And let me just tell you, beautiful does not even describe them because they are stunningly beautiful. I should have named it that, stunningly beautiful. Now, you are getting 3 butterflies on this stamp set. And this is the stamp set that my club members that are in my stamp club or my Die Hard club are gonna get this one. So you're getting fun words like fluttering by to say hi, hello there, wishing you a day filled with butterflies and smiles, hi, thank you, wishing you a butter day, get it, butterflies. You're not getting older, you're just becoming a more beautiful butterfly. And let me just tell you, if you're a Stamp Club member, you're gonna love this, but if you're a Die Club member, a Die Hard Club member, you're gonna love it even more because I added a couple little extras in here. So what did I do? I wanted you to have the dies that literally cut out all the beautiful, beautiful pieces, right? I wanted all of those beautiful pieces so you could get a die that looks like this. See that light pink part? Look at how stunningly beautiful that is. I wanted it to die cut that. But that die, this die here, is a little hard to line up perfectly for every single cut if you stamp it. So I gave you a regular die that just does the outline of the die. I'm sorry, the outline of the stamp. So you're getting an extra option just because I wanted you to be so freakishly excited when you got this. You're getting 3 ways to cut out that butterfly. You're getting just the die, you're getting the shadow, and you're getting just the outline only. So definitely check that out. You're getting that for for this butterfly also, and for this butterfly also. I wanted to make sure I set you up for success no matter which direction you wanted to go with this stamp and die set. So that's what I've done. Did it cost me extra? Yes. Did it cost you extra? No. So that's all that matters, right? Didn't cost you extra. Now let's look at this. Stamp Club members are getting the 4x6 stamp set, made in the USA, highest quality photopolymer, sent to them automatically for only $13.99 a month. Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match, which with the extra bonus dies here, right? You're getting both of those sent to you automatically. Both clubs are getting this handy dandy postcard that gives you some ideas. I recommend you keep this with your club set at all times so you have an idea of what is also coordinating with it, and you get 3 good ideas. But rest assured, my friends, all of the samples I show you here and a lot more are on our website all the time, easy accessible on our gallery. So go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on gallery, and you're gonna see all these awesome, amazing ideas. But let's jump in and look at what the design team made. And just a heads up, you might see a couple sneak peeks. Just saying. So, for example, there is a sneak peek on this card. I won't say what it is, but you're gonna love it. But look at how beautifully colored those butterflies are. Now, you can go crazy decorating these, or you can go simple decorating these. The choice is all up to you. Here is one that's done a little more simply, right? So you get to pick, you get to decide, you do you, right? Look at how gorgeous those are. Now here's another one. Look at how beautiful that is. Fluttering by to say hi, but you know what? This one has a little surprise. Are you ready? What? Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that. That's also using our pop-up box, which is so fun. It's all decorated, ready to go using our wood stamp. I love that. Those little butterflies are literally flying out of that box. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness gracious. I love that. I could do it all day. What? I just did it again. Love it. Love it. Who did that one? Michelle. Amazing. You could also make a bookmark. Look at how beautiful that is. Butterflies are a reminder that change can be beautiful. Now that stamp set is a sneak peek. Look at, now this one has a couple sneak peeks on it too. Can you see them? Look at that gorgeous butterfly. Cheryl added 3D ink. Look at how beautiful she made her own background paper using some other stamps also. Stay tuned for those. Now, my friends, if you're in the Stamp or Die Hard Club, oh look, there's even an inside. If you're in the Stamp or Die Hard Club, you're just kicking back, relaxing, knowing this is all on its way to you. Woohoo, right? But if you are not in the club, get in now because your 15% discount starts immediately after you sign up. And you need to go watch the next video because let me just tell you, my friends, There are a lot of items. I couldn't stop with just a 4x6 stamp set. My mind was going crazy with all of these ideas. I needed them for me, and I bet you're gonna want a couple of them too. So stay tuned because there's a lot more coming that coordinate exactly with these. And you know what? If you get in on them extra quick, the first 24 hours they're on our website, they're on flash sale. I know, right? It's pretty awesome. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. Not the club items. These are separate. These are automatically sent to my club members. The other items are on flash sale. Club items don't go on flash sale. All the other items, and I keep pointing down here because they're literally right here for the next video, are on flash sale. So not only do they coordinate with the club shipment you're getting, they also are awesome on their own. And let me just tell you, you've got to stay tuned for the samples because I'm like falling over. Are you ready? Get set, stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.